Great. So today we are doing a great interview with our super successful project from Romania. It's called Safeguard, and we have a project lead with us. I'm really excited to ask Patrick some questions and to just give you a bit more context about what we did and why we did it. And later on, we will also show you the demo of the whole solution. So great to have you, Patrick. And yeah, tell us a
Uh,
bit more about your background and basically where the idea from the app came from.
be here. I'm really excited to present all the information. So, couple months ago, I noticed this big problem in Romania, and not only in Romania, but also in a lot of other countries. Deforestation poses a lot of threat for the environment and for the ecology. And after watching some documentaries about the illegal logging in my country, I got motivated to use my skills in computer vision and programming to actually build something useful that can bring a positive impact in the community.
And have you yourself saw the impact, the problem in the forest?
The difference between when they were childs and we were looking at the forest, now there are less trees, especially in the areas that the forests are exploited.
How did you come up with that approach of involving the people so they are more reactive?
That's the best way to protect our forest because the law enforcement people might not be enough. They are also doing their job and are verifying some wood trucks, but they are not enough. They cannot verify all of them. We also need to involve the citizens to protect the forest and verify the wood transports. Build a mobile app that would empower them to easily verify and easily report to the law enforcement if they noticed they noticed a suspicious transport.
Something legal and normal, and that they have accreditations. So how did you approach that kind of maybe a bit of overwhelming fact that there are so many complicated laws behind that they actually need to comply and know that this person is good and this person is actually doing something against the law?
Well, we also have a national platform called Sumal, which it was a great tool that helped our application have a better usage. This tool called Sumal require every wood transportation to have a legal notice, and each citizen can verify that legal notice.
Synchronizing this kind of reactive application with a legal system, is it like replicable in other problems? For example, with trash problem that a lot of times also is enforced, so maybe it could be replicable with other databases of legal enforcement.
Well, I'm sure there are a lot of application in which we could use computer vision to help and bring some positive impact.
Just requires to have some sort of database of laws, and then you can synchronize such a solution with it to detect if something is against the law or not, right?
Yes, of course, of course. We can use databases to detect some things and then check if they have the legal compliance. The help of a national organization or the government for some of them in some domains. So these things need to work together.
Great solution. Do you have like one final biggest achievement you think you got with that?
The achievement is that we created the functional prototype, but to really bring a positive impact, we need the help of some national organization or the government to actually put it in action.
I saw from the project that some of the features can also work offline, and basically you build it with very little to almost none resources. I think that's also
Yes,
a
that
really great achievement, right?
yes, of course. I forgot about that. That's one more thing that I wanted to say that this project was built with zero resources or zero funds, no help from any external sources. All the models were not trained on cloud platforms or any compute power used. We did everything locally and try to make this as cost efficient as possible. So we proved that this project can be made with zero money. Actually, we do not need tremendous funds to actually build some positive impact. So everyone can do it from their bedroom or everywhere they are located.
Yeah, and it also was a short time period that you built it, right?
Well, it was almost 2, 3 months, but we had some inactivity issues because there was the Christmas period, the New Year's Eve, and a lot of holidays. And of course, the people were busy, and that's normal.
So it's definitely an impressive time frame to build an app from scratch. Really great results, and congratulations on that. So I guess now we just have it left to see the demo.
The demo, yes, of course. So this is the demo of our application. I actually track some trucks here. So as you can see, it detects the license plate perfectly and then the license plate number. After that, it tries to get the woodlock diameter, and as you can see, it is real time, so it detects continuously until the user is satisfied with the results. This, of course, can be a lot improved with some better models, and as I said, doing it with zero resources made it harder to have a very exceptional accuracy. And as you can see now, we get the legal volume. Um, Scraped from the national platform with the estimated volume and also the verified truck section in which all of these are located.
What would be the next step you would like to take with that project?
Well, we had some plans of doing an academic publication on the project.
Any additional features that you would like to add?
There are some additional features that could be added and a lot of things that could be improved, of course. For example, we could add some satellitary images analysis, deforestation over time. Also add a lot of features to connect it with the authorities.
Thank you so much for the interview. It was really great to get to know you better, and yeah, we will be happy to see what's next.